Okay guys, I'm staying at the Aloft Hotel in Scottsdale, and they just sent these notices around, stuck them in everyone's doors, saying that they are going to have a sprinkler fire alarm test here or something. But it's an interesting hotel. It's really older looking and it doesn't have a lot of pizzazz, but let me just tell you, when you stay in Scottsdale, as you guys have seen with all my Airbnbs, there isn't a lot of pizzazz around here. So I'm gonna take you on a tour with me to the second floor where we are going to work out in the weight room. So we're gonna head to the second floor. And I'm barefoot. I'm gonna work out barefoot because I have a broken little toe, but I still wanna work out. And the gym isn't bad here on the second floor. It's okay. So as you can see, you know, the elevators, there's not a lot of pizzazz to it. The carpet's kind of a weird color, but not bad. But again, everything in Scottsdale's old. Let me tell you, the reason I wanted to stay here is I wanted to go walk around Old Town tonight and just get some pictures from my song Arizona Dreams. I thought it'd be cool because I have the Old Town Tavern in my song, and I have let's see, Old Town in my song. So I thought it would be kind of cool to have some pictures of it in case I decide to do a video. So let's check it out. This is the Aloft. So they have a nice little fire out here. You can see people are outside, I think. Let's see. No, there aren't. Okay, they have a bar, so you can get food at the bar. They have a little place here you can work. Little bar. Then we're gonna go over here, go to the gym. And again, outside you can hear the loud music because we're very close. On the other side of this hotel is Old Town. Now they have a very miniature, tiny pool here at the Aloft. And again, I opted for this. It was like $260 a night versus getting an old 70s home Airbnb. And there's not a lot of choices because everyone's taken up all the good Airbnbs for spring training because all the baseball teams are here and they're doing spring training. So my little boyfriend is sleeping, so I'm gonna be working out at the gym. I have the whole gym to myself, as you can see. It's a little chilly outside, but I'm gonna take off my jacket. I never dreamed I would do this, but I think I'm going to start one of those, I think I'm gonna start on the diet shots because I really wanna lose a lot of weight for the summer. And as you can see, I'm kind of on the chubby side, especially in through here. And even my stomach's getting a little pudgy there. So I really, through here, from here to here is where I see a lot of added weight. So I need to get my weight down, get control of my food consumption. And tonight I'm gonna do some dumbbells here and I'm gonna watch some TV. I'm gonna change the channel now. In the Aloft here, you can hear the chirping of the fire alarm, so that is a problem. It's 9 o'clock. I do not want to go to bed yet, and I don't want to go out here and party by myself. And as you can see, guys, you know, it's not too crowded in the little area right here. Let's see if you can get a better look at Old Town this way. It's really, this is a young person's town. Scottsdale's for young people. I don't know why people would retire to the desert. I just don't get that. But I like the adventure here. I like the trails. I like Old Town. I don't like the chirping of this fire alarm. It's gonna drive me crazy, but I'm gonna start working out. So guys, if you have any questions or comments, yes, I stayed at the Aloft because we're in the heart of spring training. March is the worst month to be in Scottsdale as far as prices go because most hotels that are really nice are at least $500 a night. Even the Talking Stick Casino, which is very old, we paid $425 a night to stay there. So, you know, that's expensive. It's pretty pricey, but it drops way down after March. So come in April and you'll be a lot happier in May. Any questions or comments, leave them below. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my new release songs, Jeannie Jones. I have Selfie Girl Perfection and Liam's song out right now. I also have a couple other songs, so check them out. Bye.